2018 Toyota CHR cabin filter replacement. Go ahead and drop your glove box here. On the side, there's this guy. You could just squeeze this and pull this plunger off. You can really just put your finger back here and just pull it off. It's not hard. Then you need to squeeze this side and this side of the glove box to release this tab on each side. You could do it at once, or you could do one at a time if you have trouble. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, then this will come down like that. Now, up in here, that's your cabin filter housing. Go to this tab right here. Push on it gently. Open it up. Pull it out from the other side. The other side is just a tab. And then here's our cabin filter. You can pull this out. Notice the up. And then just pull that out. Like that. Here's my new one. Also has up on the side, so I'll put that in there like that with the arrows pointing up. Go ahead and put this in. Try not to bend the filter up like that. And then we're going to put this back in. Tab goes on this side. Just stick it in the slot right there. That's what she said. Put this on here, and this part should just clip in on this side. Oh, I had it backwards, so it has to go like that. Alright. There it goes. Now, this should not fight you at all, so if you're having trouble, you're doing something wrong, this should just click on nice and easy. Over time, these get wore out, so you might have to be gentle with it. Also, if you ever have any noise from your blower, when you have that filter out, obviously with your key out and your fan off, you can reach in there and see if there's any leaves in there or debris, and a little tiny leaf can cause like a low pitched roaring noise or noise. So you know, but again, only do that with the key out and the fan off. So then with this part, you just lift this back up, make sure it's on the hinges like that. Go ahead and push this back in. Get your plunger on like that. That's it, guys.